Hi everyone, we're on week 419 this week, and we've got an epic lick which comprises of shape 4 of the pentatonics in A minor. We've got natural minor, so A natural minor, and we've got the minor 7 arpeggio to throw into this as well. So you're going up and down these patterns. There's lots of bends, lots of vibrato, and a few things just thrown in there. It's a great lick to learn because you can take bits of it out if you don't have to learn the whole thing, basically. And you can take bits of it out, so you can put them into whatever jamming track you're playing over, or song or solo, whatever it is. So if the whole thing doesn't fit and you only need part of it, you may learn a new technique by giving this one a go. Keep it slow, keep it even, and you won't go far wrong. But before we dive into that, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. Leave a comment below if you do like it, or some suggestions of things that you'd like to see on the channel. If you can stick around till the end of the video as well, there is a jamming track at the end which I'm using to demonstrate the lick in just a sec. If you want the full one of that, you need to go to patreon.com/Dan's page. The tab is free on my website, which is dansguitar.com. Got that right, didn't I? And you can also find these t-shirts and others on my website as well. And also, cheers all, look, we've got mugs now as well. Beautiful. So there we are. So have yourself a nice cup of tea or coffee in a Lick Friday mug. Make it on a Friday. Nice. That's it. Let's get on with the lick. Cool, so there we go. As I said, the jam track is coming up in a second, the sample version. If you want the full one, it's all linked below in that Patreon link, and you can find the tab on my website, dansguitar.com. Not really sure I need to say anything else, but please give the shop a visit as well. Even if you don't buy anything, have a look, see what's there. There'll be new things added all the time. So, but without rambling on too much, as I have done already, let's get this done. Notice the little Pixu 64 behind me. Pretty cool. Sound activated, right? Right, anyway, there we go. Breakdown coming up right now. Righto, so it starts off with the 15th fret bend on the 2nd string. This is all in shape 4 of the pentatonics, as I said at the beginning, but you've got your bend like that. You're holding the bend for quite a while, so you can add vibrato, or you can take the bend really slow until you reach the top of it, and then you're bending it again, so, and then the third time, but the third time you let it down, so like that, coming off to the 13, and there's 13, 12, 13. Then you've got this reoccurring pattern using kind of like the natural minor scale. Excuse me. So that's your pattern basically. So it's a 13, 12, 13 on the 2nd string, 12 on the 1st, and then 15 on the 1st. So look at the fingers that I'm using as well. Okay, and you do that pattern, I think it's 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you've got, and it's just kind of part of it to finish it. So it's 4 times round, and then the 5th time you've got part of it to finish. Then you're going into the 15th fret full-tone bend again, before you go to the 13 on the 1st string, 15 second, 12 on the 1st, and then 15, 13, 12 on the 2nd. Back to the 13, 12 second, 14 on the 3rd, 12 on the 2nd, and then you're coming down part of the pentatonic, so that's 14, 12, 14, 12 on the 3rd and 4th strings, with a run through the natural minor, which is 15, 14, 12, 10, 12 on the 5th string. So, okay, so So get used to the patterns and what I'm using around the pentatonic, and they're great to try and visualize in your playing. Then we've got the -7 arpeggio. So this one, that's not overly difficult, but it's also not very easy. So this one, we've got 12-15 on the 5th string, 14 on the 4th string. We're leaving out all of the D notes basically. So we're going straight to the 3rd string for 12 and 14, back to the 14 on the 4th, 12, 14, through to 13 on the 2nd, 12 on the 1st, and then running down a natural minor, and then the bend at the end, which is 15 twice, up full tone, and then leave it static at the end there. So, or you could finish with whatever really, as I did in the demo, but that's the lick. So hand you back to me. Excellent. So you are at the end. So a few things to say and thank yous as well. So massive thanks to all my Patreons, without whom this video would not be possible. Thanks to those that have bought mugs and t-shirts and hoodies and things already. That is obviously a massive help. And thanks to the guys at Divoom or Divoom or Divoom, can't remember how to spell it or how to say it, pronounce it, for this Pixu 64, which you can change the imagery on, which is actually quite cool. I like this graphic EQ. It might be a little bit off-putting, but if it is, let me know, and then I'll just have a static image. Stick around for the jamming track coming up in just a second, but until that time, have a wonderful weekend, and I shall see you next week for week 420. Nice one.